Did you know that children build the foundations of language long before they start speaking in sentences? Children are natural language learners. From the moment they are born, they are absorbing sounds, words, and meaning from the world around them. In Montessori classrooms, language surrounds the child. Every part of the environment is designed to spark curiosity and invite conversation. Teachers speak slowly and clearly, using precise language. Children hear stories, songs, and new vocabulary throughout the day. Labels on objects, picture cards, and everyday conversations weave words into real experiences. Instead of memorizing lists or repeating drills, children absorb language in context, making it meaningful and alive. Maria Montessori discovered that from birth to 6 years old, children pass through a sensitive period for language. During this time, the brain is almost effortlessly absorbing sounds, rhythms, and words. Montessori classrooms are designed to honor this window. Children are immersed in rich spoken language, encouraged to explore sounds through songs and storytelling, and offered hands-on materials to make abstract symbols concrete. It's less about teaching and more about nourishing a natural process that is already unfolding. Montessori materials bring language to life. Sandpaper letters allow children to feel the shape of each sound while hearing its name. Movable alphabets let them build words even before their hands are ready to write. Guides use the Montessori 3-period lesson to introduce new vocabulary step by step, helping children connect words to objects, understand their meaning, and recall them confidently. Children don't just memorize, they see, hear, touch, and use language in ways that make sense to them. Language isn't abstract here, it's alive. Language blossoms through connection. In Montessori classrooms, mixed age groups create endless opportunities for children to learn from one another. Younger children listen, imitate, and absorb, while older children gain confidence as they explain and share knowledge. Guides, or teachers, model respectful and precise communication, encouraging children to express their thoughts clearly and listen carefully to others. It's not about pushing children to speak, but inviting them into authentic conversations. Language and emotions are deeply connected. A child who feels safe, respected, and understood is far more open to learning. In Montessori, mistakes are seen as opportunities, not failures. This emotional security allows children to take risks, try new words, and express complex ideas without fear. If you'd like to explore how emotional regulation shapes learning and communication, check out our Brain Behind Montessori video on emotional regulation. Language development doesn't stop at school. Montessori encourages parents to create language-rich homes, where children are spoken to clearly, read with daily, and invited into real conversations. When school and home work together, language grows effortlessly and beautifully. Montessori classrooms support language development by surrounding children with meaningful words, hands-on materials, rich conversations, and emotional safety. In this space, language isn't something to memorize, it's something to live.